A lot of times what I'll do if I want a piece of training data and I don't want to write the whole thing, I would do something like Claude and then I would manually reformat the beginning and end because it's all about the hook in the CTA more so than the middle. And so that would make it at least more put my hands on that piece of training data. So I don't know. I would say in general, if you're using something to just reformat, I think Claude's a pretty good option over ChatGPT. And of course, the best option is just something that you wrote or something that is from like, a top 1% influencer. It's still better than both of those.
And then, so what I want to do, which is kind of similar to what Paul talked about, is that, on LinkedIn, there's lots of carousels because I'm going to, win LinkedIn before I pay attention to any other platforms. And, is it possible? I know I'm not there yet, but is it possible the animated thing that I saw that you put on school or something else to at some point generate my carousels or like have my carousel script and then have that turned into images or the animations and then have that auto posted so I don't have to do anything?
So the typing tool is you have to paste it in there, that animation tool. We did build, I think it's Instagram for the auto posting piece, but the carousel generator that can take your text and it chops it up based on like, a character limit and puts it into frames. So yes, can you auto post those carousels on LinkedIn? That's something we'd have to confirm. If it can auto post, I know we auto post on LinkedIn. Can we auto post carousels on LinkedIn? I don't know. I'd have to ask.
I bet we can. I bet we can.
Well,
I'm
then if
not
you
there
can, then
yet.
you have the one.
I
Then
have
you have
like,
all of it.
2 or 3 weeks probably before I get there, but I'm going there. I bet we can. I believe
Yeah.
in us.